What's going on, Tech Squad? I'm Andrew Webbers and you're watching the Gear Live YouTube channel, and today we're talking gaming laptops. When you're searching for a gaming laptop, it's easy to get inundated with large, bulky computers. Razer's looking to change the game by giving you an amazing choice. That being more powerful laptops that are super thin and light. In this episode, I give you a look at the Razer Blade and Razer Blade Stealth. Are these the best gaming laptops for the money? I am here to help answer that question. I'm Andrew Webbers, editor-in-chief for GearLife.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. So if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below along with the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now, as I mentioned, today we are taking a look at the Razer Blade and Razer Blade Stealth. And by the way, before we get started, shout out to them for sponsoring this video. If you're unaware of who Razer is the company known for making products for gamers by gamers. Over the past few years, Razer has been diving deep into the laptop game to make some seriously impressive options for both gamers and power users alike. You may have seen the Razer Blade line of laptops and been wondering if those are worth the money, since they're so different than the typical gaming laptops you might see out there, which are usually thick and bulky. But let's kick things off with the smallest option. This right here is the 13-inch Razer Blade Stealth. And as you can see, not only is it small, but it is thin as well. Now, don't get it twisted. While the Razer Blade Stealth may be a slim profile laptop at only 0.54 inches thin, this is a durable machine with its CNC aluminum body and is no slouch when it comes to performance. The 13-inch display sports a Quad HD resolution, a chroma keyboard with 16.8 million colors, 16 gigabytes RAM, an Intel quad-core i7 processor, and a solid-state drive. It's got 10 hours of battery life and weighs just under 3 pounds, which means this one is very easy to travel with. This is a great laptop for casual use. You get a bunch of performance packed into a super thin enclosure, making this the perfect laptop for mobile users who travel a lot. As far as pricing goes, the Razer Blade Stealth starts at $1199, making this the cheapest laptop in the Razer Blade family. Now, moving on, if you want something with a little more punch and power behind it, drop the Stealth off the name and you've got this right, Razer Blade. The Razer Blade is Razer's mid-range option as far as laptops go. This one has a choice between a 4K or Full HD display, chroma keyboard, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, an Intel quad-core i7 processor, and a solid-state drive. However, unlike the 13-inch Razer Blade Stealth, the Razer Blade packs a dedicated graphics card. So on the inside, you get an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, and that one rocks 6 gigabytes of VRAM, making gaming and video editing a breeze. The 5-hour battery life and 0.7-inch thickness make it easy to travel with and get work done as well. Now, obviously, the Razer Blade isn't gonna be as light as the Razer Blade Stealth. However, it's just over 1 extra pound. This one comes in at 4.1 pounds, making it easy to slip into a backpack. Again, when selecting a Razer laptop, the Blade is your mid-range option. It sits above the Razer Blade Stealth and below the Razer Blade Pro. It packs all those serious gaming guts into a slim and portable CNC aluminum chassis. The new Razer Blade starts at $1899 and is a great option for anyone looking for a solid daily driver. Now, there is one more laptop in the Razer Blade lineup. Razer did not send that one over, but I figured I'd tell you about it anyway, and that is the aforementioned Razer Blade Pro. The Razer Blade Pro is Razer's wildest, most ridiculous laptop yet. This thing makes desktops look fat. It's got a 17.3-inch 4K NVIDIA G-Sync touchscreen, a chroma keyboard, it supports up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, has an Intel quad-core i7 processor, and a GeForce GTX 1080 GPU. So this thing can handle just about anything you throw at it with no issues at all. Now, the craziest part of the Razer Blade Pro to me is the thickness. It is just 0.88 inches thin, yet packs in all that power. The keyboard is particularly neat because it's the world's first ultra low profile mechanical keyboard. It gives benefits such as anti-ghosting and an actuation force of 65 grams. And come on, who doesn't want a mechanical keyboard on a laptop? That is pretty sick. Razer also pays attention to the little details, including the screen. The 4K display is a THX certified mobile device. Razer collaborated with THX to make sure the image quality, color reproduction, and image sharpness met a strict quality standard developed by THX. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, Razer prides itself on making products for gamers, by gamers, and these three laptops do that tagline justice. One other nice thing about Razer's laptops is there is absolutely no pre-installed bloatware at all. You know when you buy a laptop and it's got all sorts of weird antivirus software built in and just a bunch of software crap that you didn't ask for and wished wasn't there in the first place? You can forget about all that, and instead, Razer gives you a free copy of the $200 FL Studio 12 Producer Edition software with your purchase. Razer continues to break boundaries with this innovative line of laptops, and with the three options, there's definitely something for everyone. If you'd like to pick one up or check them out, you'll find them in person at all Microsoft stores, Micro Center, and select Best Buy locations. And you can also find them online at razerzone.com, Amazon, and Newegg. So there you have it, guys. That was your look at the Razer Blade laptop lineup. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Are you as impressed as I am with what Razer was able to do by packing serious gaming guts into super thin, light, and eye-catching laptops? Hit me in the comments below and I'll meet you there for further discussion. If you enjoyed this one, please do drop a like on this video, and don't forget, you can click or tap on my face if you haven't done so already to subscribe to the channel for free so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.